Here's a shocker. Most buildings you see around you will not last up to 10 years.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Not because of age, not because of weather, but because of decisions made before construction even started. And if you are currently building, buying or planning a house, this is something you need to understand very early.
Okay.
I'm an architect.
Are you serious?
And I work within the architectural, engineering and construction space.
Nice.
I see building failures not from pictures, but from drawings, site, and post-construction problems. Cracks, overheating, discomfort, structural distress. Most of these problems don't start on site. They start on paper. When people hear that a building failed, they usually blame materials or workmanship. Cement, iron rods, sand, engineers, contractors, and so on and so forth. But in reality, most building failures are design failures,
Are you serious?
not material failures.